Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add fingerprint in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to security. And here select fingerprint and try your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. Now set up your fingerprint. Click on Start Enrollment. Agree to all terms and conditions. Privacy statement. Click on Agree and place your finger on the scanner. This is scanner. Just place any finger. Place it multiple times until it reaches full. You got to keep your finger. Each time change the position of your finger, cover the entire sensor. Yes, fingerprint is added now. If you would like to add more fingerprint, click on add another and now place another finger. This time I use this finger. Slightly vary the position of your finger. Yes, second fingerprint added. If you would like to add more fingerprint, again click on add finger and then place another finger. This time I use left hand thumb. Until it reaches full, you have to keep your finger. Yes, again add another is showing, so you can add more than 3 fingers. Let us check how many fingers you can add. Totally as of now 3 fingers have been added. Now I am using 4th finger. And click on add another. Then I use another finger, this finger. Yes, 5 fingers can be added. Hereafter it's not showing that I add another. Okay, so maximum 5 fingers can be added. Click on done. And here these are all the fingerprint that have been added. So by default it is named to fingerprint 1, fingerprint 2 and up to fingerprint 5. If you would like to edit fingerprint name, click on the fingerprint text here and delete the available text and write your own text. Here I just name it as Jarolina. Click on OK. So fingerprint 1 is now renamed to Jarolina. In a similar way, here I just change name for fingerprint 2 Jesslyn. Then fingerprint 3 I name it as Tasia. Then fingerprint 4, here I name it as Mingy. Then fingerprint 5, I rename this fingerprint 5 as Mickey. Okay, so you can assign your own name. Okay, now verify fingerprint. Click on verify fingerprint and place any finger over the sensor and it will show which finger is Jarolina. This finger is Jarolina and this finger is Jesslyn and this finger is Tasia. Then This finger Jesslyn. Okay, this finger Mingy. Then this finger, I have added this finger. This is Mickey. So all fingerprints are verified. Also, you lock your phone and try to unlock with your fingerprint. Yes, it's very fast. I am trying to unlocking with another one. Wow, super. So in this way you can easily add fingerprints in your phone, Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.